Standard PowerPick kit is composed of the following components. Two installation possibilities are available for the PowerPick controller: a double-face tape option that comes pre-installed, or a screws and brackets option included in the PowerPick kit. An optimal installation location for the controller is approximately 10 inches above the universal robot controller. If you choose the double-face tape, ensure any desired location is thoroughly cleansed with isopropyl alcohol before installation. Carefully remove the protective film and adhere to the controller, using pressure to keep it secure for at least 60 seconds. You won't be able to easily reposition once in place. Cut the 8mm air tube to the right length if necessary. Secure the air tube to your PowerPick controller at its designated 8mm tubing connection point until it is firmly held in place. Connect the I/O cable's open end to the PowerPick controller in its device control area. In the universal robot controller, connect all 8 wires to the configurable I/O terminal blocks, then fasten them with a terminal block screwdriver according to the instructions in this electrical installation diagram. Put back the configurable I/O terminal blocks in place. Install the gripper directly on the robot's wrist. Align the pin coming from the positioning plate and with the right hole on the robot wrist. Screw the gripper to the robot wrist with the provided hex key, 4M6 screws, and 4M6 tooth lock washers. The required torque is 9.5 Nm. Install the gripper and manifold bracket directly on the robot's wrist. Screw the gripper to the robot wrist with the provided hex key, 4M6 screws, and 4M6 tooth lock washers. The required torque is 9.5 Nm. Secure the 10mm air tube to your PowerPick gripper by connecting it firmly to the manifold air inlet. Follow cable management good practices. Cut the air tube to the right length if necessary. Connect the 10mm air tube to its indicated spot on your PowerPick controller.